Welcome to Jammu, you guys, and also welcome to the Elevate India tour with your very first Elevita Mrs. India World Queen, Ridhima Bora Agarwal. Good morning, guys. Welcome to our Jammu vlog. As Elevita Mrs. India World 2025-26, we are kickstarting our very first India tour. I mean, our only India tour for me at least. For this rain, starting off from the tip of the country, which is Jammu and Kashmir. So yeah, let's go. I'm getting ready. Sophia is my hairstylist forever. So she does my hair. I'm also trying to take her with me to Vegas for Mrs. World. I did my makeup with Samin on FaceTime. Samin is my makeup artist forever. Akshay is my cinematographer forever. My husband Gautam, who is also my husband forever, is joining me for this trip. So we have 3 nights and 4 days in Jammu. Let me quickly give you the itinerary. We are landing today at 1 p.m. and straight going for a radio show. Tomorrow I have a temple visit in the morning and then another radio show, and then day after tomorrow we have a jewelry store visit, and then we are meeting the Maharani, and then the day after, the 4th day, just before boarding the flight, I have another radio show. Now I woke up at 4 a.m. with a flight at 9:25 a.m. I'll show you. I'm yet to pack my makeup. It's all kept together, but I'll show you the makeup, the hair, as in the hair extensions, the hair tools, my supplements, my crown, my trench coat, my sunnies, my books is all that has to be packed. And I have to do it all in the next 20 minutes. Finish hair, wear my clothes, pack the remaining stuff and leave. Oh God, pray for me. Also, it's 9 degrees to 23 degrees in Jammu. Isn't that a confusing weather? Like 9 degrees is cold and 24 degrees is warm. So what am I supposed to wear? Don't hurt! Ah, my dog! You and Home are such bad boys! We were so late, but we made it. Syed, he drove like a bloody madman. The ETA was showing 8:27 a.m. and the flight departure is at 9:20, so we were like 10 minutes late because counter closes an hour before. But we reached at 8:19 and then we just made it. We're like, we're late. Everybody was like, I never want to be that person who is like late and skipping queues, but I was that person, so what can you say? And I still feel I didn't pack enough jackets. We made it. No, so the experience was, I'll tell you. We made it on time. The flight was delayed by good 10-15 minutes and they left my suitcase back in Bangalore. Wow. So now I don't have clothes, I don't have makeup, I don't have shoes. And I'm here in Jammu to do events. So amazing. So apparently it will reach in the evening, so I don't know. This is my husband, you guys. This is Gautam, my husband.
I'm RJ Tani.
Are you on RJ?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
He's RJ.
Very cool job.
Nice.
This is the evening show.
Oh nice.
The morning.
Morning show.
I love meeting RJs. There was once upon a time because I talked a lot. And I wanted to become an RJ because मुझे चेहरा भी दिखाना है.
Yeah.
इसीलिए I couldn't be an RJ. कितना floor है?
If I go to
No, but how about you?
Second.
Second photo, let's do it. I'll get step count. I'm so excited that we are doing this. The whole purpose of this tour is to inspire women from every part of this country, not restricted to any area. Women with purpose, with ambition, with true power and beauty to come forward and to understand the real meaning and purpose of pageantry. I'm starting off with our very first talk show. We are here, as you can see, with Mirchi. And so excited to do this. The RJ is a woman herself and I'm just excited. Sargam is going to be joining us for the tour, and this couldn't be in a better time and in a better place. So welcome and stay tuned for all the amazing things that we are going to bring forward. I do have a lot of commitments, fun ones, and I will make sure that you guys are part of it all. Oh, Jasmine is scared that I'm on a radio. She's like, Ridhima, you are real, we all know, but please dance here. 3, 2, 1, go. We are starting. Tune in, 98.3 Mirchi. with this gorgeous of an RJ. I love that there are two women in the room. We are gonna kill it, and we promise जो बोलेंगे सच के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं बोलेंगे, right?
Right. Let's go. Hello, beautiful Jammu. मैं हूँ आरजे तानी. आप सुन रहे हैं मुझे 98.3 मिर्ची पर. And we have with us Mrs. Rinima Bora Agarwal. And इन्होंने जीता है Mrs. India World 2025. जोरदार तालियां सबसे पहले आपके लिए.
Drum roll.
तो आप एक सेंटेंस बोलने वाले थे. What is that sentence?
खंड मीठे लोग डोगरे.
Oh my God, वो जीत लिया मेरा. कसम से ऐसे मन कर रहा है कि आपको ऐसे गले लगा दूं मैं, पर अपनी सीट से उठूंगी तो अभी थोड़ा सा विवाद हो जाएगा. So we have this question that what is that one thing that people always assume or they get totally wrong about you?
You know, I have tattoos. I'm actually मैं एक पहली शायद Mrs. India World हूँ जिसमें इतने tattoos है. And that's a revolution by itself. दुनिया बदल रही है, हम बदल रहे हैं. You know, inclusivity is now showing in every. People look at me. मैं कभी छोटे कपड़े पहनती हूँ, कभी साड़ी पहनती हूँ, कभी तो देख के जो उनका जो मिसकंसेप्शन होता है कि ऐसी लड़कियां तो ऐसी ही होती है. लोग भूल जाते हैं कि मैं बहुत पढ़ी लिखी भी हूँ. मैंने 17 years कॉर्पोरेट में काम किया है. मैं एक एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ. मैं किसी की वाइफ हूँ, किसी की बेटी हूँ. It's important to see that part in a woman too. I think pageantry लोग वही बहुत गलत सोचते हैं कि pageantry all about looks है, pageantry all about slim figure है, ये है वो. But it's lot more than that. Pageantry तुम क्या impact कर सकती हो, या फिर मैं जो काम अभी कर रही हूँ NGOs के साथ, या फिर अपने state असम के लिए, वो कपड़ों से थोड़ी आपको पता चलेगा.
True.
You know.
So you are the first North East women जो Mrs. World पे इंडिया को represent करेंगे जाकर.
Yes.
And that is too in 4 long decades.
Yes. I'm sad about it. I'm sad that I'm the first Northeastern woman to make it there in 40 years. I shouldn't be the first. 40 years is way too long for my state to be up there. You know, I wish it happened sooner. But at the same time, I'm grateful कि मुझे मिला. लेकिन that's what right now I'm very humble कि जो मौका मिलना अभी I have to go kill it. ताकि it open doors for not one state from Northeast और 7 state है Northeast में. Maybe next time मणिपुर से कोई आएगी. उसके बाद शायद नागालैंड से कोई आएगा. शायद जम्मू से कोई आएगा. Small states, girls, you know, that's what we were here for. क्योंकि beauty पर्पस और साफ दिल सिर्फ मेट्रो सिटीज में नहीं होता है. वो इंडिया के हर किसी कोने में होता है. एंड आई थिंक एवरी गर्ल शोज अप एंड I hope that I'm trying to be a role model. I believe in leading by example, or I hope more and more really follow and doors open for us. Yeah.
Mrs. India World. This is so pretty. We have Sargam Kaushal with us. So सबसे पहले welcome and I'm so happy to have you here, Sargam.
Thank you so much. I am pleased to be back. Like beyond words.
So मैं आपको बता देती हूँ, आपने ये आवाज़ पहले भी सुनी हुई है. She has been Mrs. World 2022-23 and she was here. इन्होंने हमारे साथ बहुत सारी बातें की थी and now she is here for something more special. Can you tell us what this special is going on?
So, पहले तो namaste to everyone. Lots of love to Jammu. Lots of love to you. I am here taking the baton forward. तो अभी जो जर्नी मैंने शुरू करी थी उसको आगे बढ़ाते हुए our pageant Elevita Mrs. India World हमारा डेब्यू सीजन जो था वो बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल रहा and we chose the most wonderful winner, Mrs. India World Rinima Bora Agarwal. एंड ये रिप्रेजेंट करेंगी इंडिया को 2026 जनवरी में एट मिसेस वर्ल्ड पैजेंट. एंड उसी जर्नी के चलते वी आर हेयर टू एलिवेट अदर वुमेन, नॉट जस्ट मुंबई से या यू नो बैंगलोर से, बट फ्रॉम ऑल स्टेट्स, as many states as possible. So ये journey जो है इसका नाम हमने रखा है Elevate India Tour, and during this tour we're going to be traveling to various cities, various states, and just trying to propagate the whole idea of empowering each other.
Let's start with this rapid fire round. Okay, सबसे पहले रिनिमा से we'll ask this question. One food that you love but वो बिल्कुल भी pageant friendly नहीं है.
Oh my God, tiramisu.
Next question is that one thing that you can lose very easily. पहला है patience, then lip balm, then charger.
Oh my God, lip balm. Yes, I keep losing that. I don't know how many lip balms have I lost in my bag.
Story of a girl.
Yeah, story.
Okay, the next question is for you. One talent you have जो किसी को भी नहीं पता. सच सच कहना है, सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं। आपने कहा था
मैं चुप रह सकती हूँ, पता है? I was just proving that. मेरा talent है. In rapid fire also I could be quiet.
No, but actually you did that during our pageant. You did that.
okay, we can bear with you talking like 5 hours straight, but
Rinima
2
not
minute भी
talking
चुप।
नहीं.
हाँ,
Rinima का story अगर मेरे feed पे नहीं आया तो I'm like what
Something is wrong. Is she all right?
तो अगर you are in an apocalypse तो कौन सी ऐसी चीज होगी जो आप सबसे पहले सेव करोगे?
मेरा dog.
ओ
She is my emotional support animal, so I need her.
Because dogs are dependent on humans. पति तो आज
उसके बाद पति, उसके बाद मेरा
नहीं,
Mrs. World
एक
का
ही करना था।
और Sash.
एक ही करना था।
रिनिमा को भी क्योंकि अभी ये चाहिए मुझे. I need her.
Rinima, what you would say?
my dogs.
So this is Mythbuster for like pageants. Okay.
Oh yes.
सबसे पहले आपके लिए pageants queen never eat junk food.
No.
Okay. Next question. Confidence is natural, no patience. Practice needed.
Yes.
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 You never get a stage fright.
No, I get it all the time. दिखाते नहीं है बस.
Yeah.
Not it.
Confidence अंदर से आता है. It proves my point.
So the next is skin and hair needs to be perfect to win.
Okay, your hair needs to be perfect. You can't have frizzy hair on stage. Like that's a complete no-no. For me at least.
But skin का because natural है ना?
Skin तो मतलब I think you can work on your थोड़ा makeup कर सकते हो ना?
हाँ,
Yeah.
तो मतलब
Dab,
perfect
dab,
होने
dab.
की जरूरत नहीं
No,
है। हाँ.
not really.
The Mrs. category जो होती है in any kind of pageantry, जो Mrs. category है, that is सबसे ज्यादा pressure वाली।
I feel yes. Yes. You,
Because,
you come with a lot of लोगों को expectations. You don't have one family to
10 to or to
yeah.
हाँ, fill
there
up
are two
their
families जिनको आपको happy and disappoint करना है.
disappoint तो नहीं बट happy तो करना ही पड़ता है। One question for both of you, ठीक है? That is
We'll say it together. Yes or no?
हाँ,
Okay.
ठीक है? Pageants never repeat outfits on stage.
हाँ, we don't repeat.
Yes.
Yes. Pageant queens don't repeat their outfits.
हाँ,
Outside pageant, I do repeat a lot.
हाँ, मतलब normally तो of
She
course-
doesn't.
हाँ?
She doesn't.
Because I have a rental model.
Because she
guys.
has like no, but she
I have a lot of clothes. I'm a clothing brand. है.
she has her own clothing brand, so why would she
और
want
मैं
to?
भाड़े पे लेती हूँ मेरे ब्रांड से, भाड़े पे
अपने भी brands?
हाँ अपने ही ब्रांड से भाड़े पे लेके तुम भी ले सकती हो भाड़े पे गाइस माय ब्रांड
Yes, Miss Momo, yes,
मिस मोमो आप लोग भाड़े पे कपड़े ले सकते हो
और मुझे फ्री में मिलने वाले
हाँ
guys।
बिल्कुल
Really?
ओ ठीक है One naughty Finished with Mirchi and now you're here to pick up traditional outfits and Dogra outfits. Are you ready to see me in Kashmiri and Dogra outfits? From Wazir. I'll show you who they are. Come. We have arrived in Kashmir. My God, I should buy one, Gautam. Like we should buy. We'll shop. Okay.
After the baby, like
Welcome to the prettiest shop. Wazir C in Jammu and Kashmir. She's the nicest. She's given me 2 outfits to wear tomorrow to the temple and then to the palace. Thank you so much.
it's a pleasure.
I can't wait to show them what you've been able to get.